Hey, so I'm Sabrina, the author of Natural Hair for Beginners, A Beginner's Guide to Going Natural Successfully. This is my book that's been out exactly a year, and I realized I hadn't done a video on it, not recently anyway. And it's actually doing very well as far as reviews. It's chock full of information. This is the table of contents so you can see just how much information is in here and how thick this book is. This is information about going natural. It's not just about going natural, it's also about staying natural, how to care for your hair at whatever stage you are in your natural hair journey. It's actually just a hair care guide for anyone, even if you aren't natural, just to learn about natural hair. Of course, it shows you what you should do if you're ready to go natural, if you're not ready to go natural, what products to use, what tools to get, how to take care of your hair, the natural hair products you will need. But it also has basic information about how to just take care of your natural hair. And at the very back, which I love a lot, I have just a bunch of not definitions, but ingredients that are very typical in a lot of natural hair products that are chemical sounding and you don't understand it. And so I explain it for you. It also has definitions. It has style guide. There's a lot of information in this book. Very important chapter, the balance between moisture and protein. So I just wanted to give you a heads up of what you will get when you get this book, Natural Hair for Beginners, which is sold in the indie bookstores, but it's also sold on Amazon. It's in